Come on, Arjan. Come on, dude. Hit the ball.
That's how I did me. It was like, I'm gonna hit it. No,
You're swinging too hard.
I'm swinging like a
You're swinging too hard. It's not a
So, we are now at Topgolf. They're teasing me because I lost money. I don't like it. It's okay, I'm gonna win my money back. We're gonna win game 6. I'm confident in that. Even more confident than I am today, the best I've played. But yeah, we're at Topgolf. About to get down here. Just leaving Emeralds, which was absolutely amazing, by the way.
Come on, Arjan. Come on, dude. Hit the ball.
That's how I did me. It was like, I'm gonna hit it. No,
You're swinging too hard.
I'm swinging like a
You're swinging too hard. It's not a Wait. You're swinging too hard.
golfed in a long
Okay, you're swinging too hard. Stop trying to kill it and just finesse it, Arjan. You ain't supposed to swing like a bat. Oh my God. You ain't supposed to swing like a bat. Oh my God. Get closer.
There we go. Oh, way to go.
When I hit it, I hit it though.
Bye.
Yeah, okay.
Make sure you click your name. Make sure you click your
Where did he go?
Auntie Erin stole my points.
Oh no.
You can't blame it on me. You're too far.
Wait.
Get closer. Oh my God.
Okay, focus and get closer.
Dude, go up some. Go far. Go.
Hey, listen here.
Arjan, move to the left some. Get closer to the ball.
I ain't listening at all.
Oh my God.
Listen to nothing.
This dude.
Wait, this is not. Okay, wait. First of all,
Is it your turn still?
Yeah. It's not like a bat. You got it going up too high.
I took golfing lessons.
Oh, he took golf.
You took golf lessons. Really?
How long ago was that? Exactly.
Years ago.
You took golf lessons.
Oh, you're getting back into some kind of stuff.
He didn't let me get my swing
It's
right.
not-
I'm over here buzzing.
Because you're using too much power. It's not about power.
It's not about power, it's about my form.
But you over there with
I'm
the
trying to
power
get my
strikes.
form right.
The power strikes. Missing.
I'm trying to get my form right. See, this was the problem. It was too much talking. Whatever happened to peace and tranquility and silence on the golf course? But where is my godly given gift of silence when golfing? Where is it? Where is it? There was no peace. I couldn't focus on my swing, man. Just a whole bunch of gibbering, jabbering, talking, and dissing. Then they go up there and do the same thing. They wouldn't let me get in my moment. They wouldn't let me get in my swing, man.
Oh
Oh, wait, so I could have kept going? I thought it was somebody else's turn.
It was somebody else.
Dude.
You're supposed to take one
Hit the
turn.
ball.
Once you hit the ball, then it's the next person's turn. Yeah, but we gotta have some etiquette.
I think you're too far, Brody.
Wait, how many tries you gonna get?
3. He didn't have 3. That's over there, though.
Somebody else's turn. No.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Go, Ryan, go.
No.
Stop. You gonna get it. Ryan, go. You gotta put your name. Put your name, Mariah.
So I haven't golfed in a year or so, since last summer. Really didn't have a summer this year. So don't mind me. Don't mind my strokes and all this. It's okay. I'm gonna do all right. Don't mind me. I'm taking a couple of Vegas sips, Vegas drinks, and now I'm taking some Vegas licks. So be mindful of that when you're watching this film. Watch to the end. Watch to the end. Don't let these people get in your head. All right? Like and subscribe. Subscribe and like. Subscribe. Oh, Mamma Mia. Oh, Mamma Mia. All that talky was talking. Where is it at?
Ready, set.
Come on, Mom. You got it. Okay. A little skimmer. A little skimmer for the winner.
It's been a long, long time, y'all.
Oh, has it now?
Where is the people? I want my points back.
I'm still in the lead. All that mess they was talking, and I'm still in the lead, my rep. How do you feel about that?
You're not in.
How do you feel about
You're
that?
not in lead. You're
I
tied.
never did this before.
Tied in the lead. It's all the same.
You're only beating me by one.
Tiger Sav. Here, the report. Get him out of here.
Diane,
So, unfortunately, I lost. I lost the game, but I was hitting it to the fence every single time after I got in my groove. And of course, there's no points back there. It's done a lot of points and hitting the right spots, and I was just trying to get my swing right and hitting the farthest place possible. So I lost, but did I really? Nobody was messing me. So Sav Exposure's out. I'm about to walk around, get back to the hotel, do a moving. Got my mom right here. She's trying to sneak up on me, but she can't do it. So yeah, that's it. That's all. It's Sav Exposure. Love, peace, and hair grease. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you check out some other videos in Vegas, whether it's exploring Vegas, eating in Vegas, swimming at the MGM Grand Pool. I have all those listed on my channel, so make sure you check them out and stay tuned.